guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is going to be a bit of a fun one and a bit of a kind of styling challenge for myself that will hopefully inspire you guys to dig into your own wardrobes and see what kind of new outfits you can create, whether you're basing that on looks from Pinterest or from Instagram or from, real life people you've seen in real life. If you've seen anyone in real life in the last few months. I hope this gives you some inspiration on kind of how to piece together outfits from a source of inspiration and how to kind of recreate that with your own pieces, because we may not have those exact pieces in our wardrobe, but it's just about looking for similarities and kind of trying to piece things together, whether it's a certain colour that's come through in the inspiration, whether it's a certain style or fit or a detail. It's not always about recreating the entire outfit. So I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'm going to dig into my wardrobe. So the first outfit I have picked is from Emma Hill. I love her style. I actually have two of her looks in this video. But this first one is just really simple. So we have a black blazer, some kind of medium to dark, medium wash jeans, I would say, straight leg, a white t-shirt or white top of some sort, and a kind of neutral, almondy coloured flat. All of these pieces I'm pretty sure I have in my wardrobe, but I don't really wear them together like this. It's quite a basic outfit, quite a basic minimal outfit, but I really like that and I want to try it on. So first up, I'm going to grab my black blazer. This is slightly different. I think it's a bit more oversized than the one she's wearing, but it's one that I'm enjoying having in my wardrobe at the moment, so definitely going to wear that one. For jeans, I think my dark denim jeans are in a suitcase up here, so okay. This might be harder than I thought. Found them. So these are my People Tree jeans. I really love these, but I tend to swap them out. I guess I kind of have my lighter wash at the moment and I've been wearing them more, so I haven't worn these in quite a while. Oh my god, stop hanging. Thank you. So let's pop them there. Now I need a white t-shirt. So I don't actually have a plain white t-shirt, I have one with a bit of writing on it. But to make it as close to that outfit as possible, I have a bodysuit. I mean, it's still not as close, and this is a massive creases, but it's just this kind of scoop neck, plain white bodysuit, which I think will actually probably work better for this time of year, to be honest. I think in the summer it'd be nice to have a t-shirt, but in this kind of coming into spring weather, I think a long sleeve would work well under the blazer. And then I just need to find my shoes, wherever they've gone to. Found them. Okay, so I store them away at the bottom of my wardrobe because I don't really wear them this time of year because they usually get rained on and get dirty. But I have these kind of peachy flats, not quite the same. These are more warm toned than the ones in the photo, but these work better for my wardrobe. So let's try all of this on and see how the outfit looks. Okay, this next outfit I love. It's by Jessica Harumi, or it's by her, it's worn by her, and it's just this all white look with the black accessories, which I think really pop. I really like this look. I love it as kind of like a winter white look, but then I think coming into spring it'll be nice. But there's not too many layers with it as well, so it's basically just cream polo neck, which I have somewhere. Yeah. cream polo neck, white jeans, which I had also put away for summer, but now I have my suitcase out. Yeah, I have some here. My white jeans, these they're just from Bershey. I think they're straight cropped style, but I love the length of them on me. I'm not like a huge fan of ripped hems anymore, but I do quite like these ones. I'm going to style that with my black loafers. Had these for so many years. As you can see, they're well kind of crinkled and worn, but they're very, very comfortable. And then I just needed my black crossbody bag. So I have one that's more similar to Jessica's, but I'm selling on Depop, so it's in the basement. But I have this black bag that I use the majority of the time now. Love this. So I think this will work nicely, and it's more practical anyway. So let's see how that outfit looks all together. Okay, so here's another outfit with white jeans. Might as well just keep going with the white jeans, keep them on while I have them. And a really nice cream chunky jumper. So I really like that mix of white and cream, which you would think normally that you don't normally mix those two, but it's kind of like black and navy. Sometimes it really works. And I have this big chunky jumper from Everlane. I got it secondhand, and I love it. I think I might have worn an outfit like this before, but just this really big chunky jumper, and I think it's kind of more of like a stony colour, so I think this will look really, really nice with the white jeans. And then the boots in this look really similar to my black boots that I wear all the time, so let me throw them on and once again see how the outfit looks. This outfit from Style Apotheka, I really love this outfit. I love the whole tailoring aspect. So we've got the black blazer again and the white t-shirt. So I might just stick with the same bodysuit and black blazer. But now we have this kind of like creamy beige wide leg trouser, which I do have a pair of kind of linen-y, oatmeal-y coloured trousers that I made last summer. Just when it was really, really hot and I couldn't bear to wear anything else, so let me grab those. So I don't feel like they have the same kind of tailoring vibe, it's just got a stretchy waist, but the colour match is there, so I might try this option anyway and see what it looks like. And I don't have any black Converse, but I do have kind of an off-white pair of Converse, which I will style with this outfit. Alternatively, if I wanted to match more of the tailored trouser look, I would grab these trousers, because they're quite similar. They're kind of nice tailored wide leg trouser, a little bit more cropped than the pair in the photo, but I think these would look really nice. So let's try both of these outfits on and compare them side by side so we can see. This outfit is kind of like, I don't have the exact pieces, so it's kind of comparing when I either choose the colour scheme in the first outfit, or if I choose the whole like mix of tailoring in the first outfit or in the second outfit. So Let me know which you think works better, but this is just one inspiration photo, but it's two outfit combinations that have come from it. So like I was saying at the start, you can kind of mix in the pieces that you have that work for you. You don't have to go out and buy every exact item. Okay, so I have another outfit from Emma Hill. This is again another really basic outfit. So we've got some blue skinny jeans on, which I have here. These ones are Karen Millen jeans, but I got them in Oxfam for like a tenner. You have a black crew neck of some kind, so it could be a t-shirt, it could be a jumper. I have both of those. So my jumper is here. And again, because it's not quite spring, it's a little bit wintry, I'm going to choose the jumper option for this, but you could throw on a black crew neck t-shirt when the weather gets warmer. It would kind of have the same look. Then we have a trench coat, which I definitely have in here somewhere. Yes, I do. Love this trench coat so much. This is just my baby. I actually saved up for this. I think it was only like £35, but I really had to save because I was only working in retail at the time and I was in college. But I'll never regret this purchase anyway. It was a very good £35 or euro spent. So throw this on with it, and then we have a pair of kind of neutral toned, kind of like beigey shoes again. I don't have a loafer in that colour, so I could try to style it with the nude shoe or like the kind of peachy shoe from the first look, or I could go for that loafer style and try these brown loafers. So they're not quite the harsh contrast as black, but they give off the kind of dressy shoe vibe. So again, we're kind of, outfit number 1, we're going for the colour scheme and the colour match. And outfit number 2, we're going for the style match and the kind of loafer vibe. And the final piece for that outfit is a wicker kind of straw bag, which funny enough, I actually have one very similar. I have 2 options for this. Both bags I don't really wear a lot of, but I actually use them for storage. I have summer clothes stored in this. So this is my first one I got in Marrakesh. Just like a proper handbag, but it's wicker and it's not quite the same colour. But I also have this one, which I think I'll use for the outfit because it's a very similar colour. It's much more wickery than straw. This I think is like a picnic basket. Like it's not really a handbag at all, but it does have handles. It has these little fastenings. This I store my like swimwear in, because again it's a summer piece, so I store summer things in it, and it looks nice, but it doesn't take up space because now it's storage. So I'm going to throw this on with the outfits. So let me pick one more outfit. I have these all in my kind of saved folder on Instagram, so let's see. Okay, so here's one from Coco Beauty, and I really like this look. I don't have these exact pieces, but I feel like I could create something that's similar to it. So we have the white jeans again. These are a lot more of a slim fit, but I only have the one pair of white jeans, so I'm just going to throw them on again. Sorry if I keep repeating the same pieces. We have some kind of white top. It kind of looks like a white t-shirt again, but I'm going to try and root out a different top and not keep wearing the same bodysuit. We have this kind of beigey blazer, which I do have kind of a beigey colour blazer. It's a lot lighter than this, but it still would work, I believe. Little handbag. I don't have a bag this colour, but I do have a small brown bag that possibly might work. And the shoes, I don't have shoes like that, but I do have some nude strappy sandals, so let's try that on. So for the shoes, I'm thinking that these ones might work. These just kind of nude strappy block heel sandal are going to look really nice coming into spring and summer. I can't wait to get these back out. Really excited to wear them. I'm going to grab a white t-shirt from my boyfriend's section of the wardrobe. Super crease, but it's just basically a white crew neck. And I think this will just look nice with the outfits. I could have also paired this with the first couple of outfits. But yeah, let's see how that looks. There's a tip. Root in someone else's wardrobe. And my beige blazer is this one here from this kind of two-piece suit that I have. So I think this will look really nice with it. And it kind of has that black button detail as well that the other one had. So let's try all of this on as our last outfit and you can tell me how I did. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I recreated those outfits. Let me know which one was your favourite or which one you think I recreated the best. If you have any ideas of who you would like me to recreate the style of next, I'd love to do another one of these videos, so let me know what influencers or bloggers or kind of outfits you'd like me to recreate. If you have certain outfits, you can send them to me on Instagram. If you don't already follow me, here's my handle. And I'd love to try and recreate them because obviously it's easier for me to recreate outfits that I kind of identify with already, style-wise. It's likely that I'll have similar pieces to people I follow on Instagram. But if you want to suggest some extra ones that I may not have as close a style to, and it'll be a bit more of a challenge for me to recreate. That last outfit by Coco Beauty, the one that I kind of just found on a whim at the very end, loved that outfit, loved the look of the kind of all white and beige look. I feel like it's so classy and it's definitely one now that I want to wear for summer. So I'll definitely have to get my own crew neck t-shirt, my own like white t-shirt for that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you got some tips from it that you can apply to your own wardrobe and your own style inspiration. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and I'll see you guys next week.